Hello guys, welcome back to Harry Space. Today Harry Space, we're gonna learn about negative numbers and solve them in equations. But what are negative numbers? Negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0. They can be used to represent things like loss or debt, temperature below freezing point, and altitude below sea level. If we take real-world examples, for example, if you owe someone $5, it means you have a debt of negative $5. If the temperature is negative 10 degrees Celsius, it means it is 10 degrees Celsius below freezing point. How to represent negative numbers. One way is representing it on this number line. The 0 is the midpoint, and the numbers going to the right from 0 are positive numbers. And starting at the 0 and going towards the left are the negative numbers. Now, let's try this equation. Negative 5 plus 7. So, we start at negative 5, and cos 7 is a positive, we go to the right. Cos positives from 0, they go towards the right. So, we're going to add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 2. Let's do 2 minus 7. So we start at 2, and cos it's minus 7, and 7 is a negative, we go to the left, because negatives go to the left. So we subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is negative 5. What if the number was very high, higher than 10? It would take a very long time to just use number lines. So the rules are like this. A positive and a positive equals addition. A negative and a negative equals addition. A negative and a positive equals negative. And positive and negative equals negative. Then if it was negative a minus 7, and negative equals addition, it will equal 15, but then that's not correct. So, what we do, we take the biggest number and its symbol, and whatever the symbol is, we add it on to the answer. But what about multiplication and division? Well, they are different, but they apply the same rules in a different way. So, for example, negative 7 times negative 8. So, a negative and a negative means addition, But then in multiplication and division, it means the answer is gonna be positive. So then we just do 7 times a, and 7 times a is 56. So the answer will be positive 56. But what about negative 7 times 8? Well, negative positive, that means the answer is going to be negative. And 7 times a is 56, so the answer will be negative 56. And with division, it's the same concept. Negative 56 divided by 8. So, negative and a positive. A negative and a positive makes negative. So the answer will be negative. 56 divided by 8 is 7. So the answer is negative 7. And negative, negative 56, and divide by negative 8. A negative and a negative equals a positive. So then the answer will be positive, and 56 divided by 8 is 7. So then the answer will be positive 7. Pause the video now so you can answer these questions. The first one is negative 1. The second one is negative 2. The third one is negative 3. The fourth one, I tried to trick you by using the algorithm, but it's 2. And the fourth one is negative 2. Now, the last one was very tricky. The answer was negative 9. So, negative a plus a, negative and positive means subtraction. A minus a is 0. So then 0. And then 0 minus 9, it's negative 9. Pause the video and answer these questions. First one is negative 42. Second one is negative 6. Third one is 72, just 4 times table practice. Fourth one is 7. Fifth one is 6. And the last one was very tricky, you think, but then it's actually easy. So, negative 8 times negative 5. Negative is positive. So, 8 times 5 is 40. So, then positive 40. And 40 minus a is 32. And 32 plus a is 40. So, what we need to do is negative 8 times negative 5. 7. Here are the answers to double check. Subscribe, like, and share, and stay safe.